Oh.
Excuse me to
Ay, mag-yes
car.
kayo.
Excuse me to car.
Beep.
No thanks.
Wow.
It's
Just
okay.
eating me.
Boss,
Kaso-
tayo. Oo nga, kailangan Jomar Sarate.
Can I see?
Oh, no.
If you have a money.
Kabang sa
Oh
vlog.
my God.
May
Ang anak ng
outfit is,
kontraktor.
by
Walang
Boss Kali.
pira.
Go to inside. Go to inside. Inside. Over there. Hey. Hey. Over there.
Oh! What's up everyone? For today's vlog, you will see my husband with his formal attire. and I'll show you my handsome husband. Charan! One minute.
Naman yung katangahan na yan. Ano yan? Ano yan? Ay, hindi man lang.
JS. Aatin niya ng JS.
Pasto.
Outfit check! Aha. Saan ka punta?
Go to
The sea?
go to the
Nipa
sea.
House?
Nipa House and Jumper Sniper Nipa House. Let's go.
Ano ba mag-INC siya? Ito guys!
Yummy! Anong ulam nyo?
INC po kami bisita. Naligo ka pa lang sa
Oo. Mag-ayos pa ngayon ang buhok ko eh. Di ba paring Caleb?
Pwede ka na magpasto.
Hmm. Let's go!
Let's go. Over there to sea and Nipa House.
Waiting!
Wait.
Magpapastor! Wala. Sabi ko magganyan siya dahil magtitiktok.
Nay, magkano to pag 3 pesos? Pag 6 pesos?
5 pesos lang, tatlo.
5 pesos?
Ibalik mo ang piso. Oh!
Totoy, balik sa bata. Bea.
Let's go.
Balik
Let's
bata.
go. Ah? Ay, off ko na.
Ay, kakasal!
Ano mo na, ano?
Dito din.
Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Good evening. Good evening, guys.
Anong meron?
Ma.
Saan ang attend mo? Wow, bagay, Ate Lala. Parang kang aabay eh. Ano ba tayo kariyahan?
Hindi.
Ikaw ba yan? Pastor.
Ah. Sabi ko isuot niya mag-TikTok siya. Letters. Nawala na.
Go to the inside. Go to the inside. Inside. Over there. Hey. Hey, over there. Backward.
Backward. Daddy, backward. Doon.
Let's go. Hey. Over there. Over there. Very nice.
Straight.
Kailan ang uwi mo? Mabasa Flores or Martes. Depende. Tingnan ko lang pag nakaano ka.
Sambuan.
Sarap vlog, sarap.
Sambuan na.
Ah,
Hey.
sarap vlog, shoutout sa'yo.
Hey.
Baka magalit yung mga ano ko ron.
Ano ba ito? Excuse me excuse me.
Lloyd, tip.
Two people in change to money because is
Yan, sarap kumain.
because is
Sarap.
money di
Kasama
na
sila Idol. At sila Idol Kabungot at Team Gunggong. So, para kay Kuya Dam. Daddy Luz, shoutout Daddy Luz. Idol Kabungot. Hey, thank you Lord.
English na tawa.
Papalit ka na nga. Please. Ikaw na, B-boy. Muna ka na kasi. Kabus Official, thank you so much.
Te, wait.
Wait lang guys. 30 minutes pa tayo.
hey ilaw
Attorney ka bansot.
Oh, gabi pa!
Hey guys, shoutout Kuya.
Magogong ko kaya din eh.
Hey.
hey over there
Oh, birthday.
hey what's your problem
You very handsome today.
yeah very handsome let's go very nice video
Tonight pala. Pala kayo.
Pawisan na.
Hey, what's up? Hello, boys.
Hi, Jerwin official, shout out.
Hey, hey, Joe.
We,
Official, yo.
I'm editing.
Bukas
Oh
may
my
bukas.
Then
Ikaw.
shout out everyone. Oh no, English speaking man ah. Jerwin official is speaking dollar ah. Oh,
Buksan mo.
yung tinggonggong mo. Kabansot. You look kabansot outfit of the day. Of the night.
Kain na naman.
Huwag kang
Alam
uwi
mo, tapos
dito
na
pag
yan.
wala ka ng dalang sariwang isda. Aray ko. Ano, isasakay ko sa ano? Magbabaho yung ano. Ay, Melvin. Shout out. Chinito Vlog. Shout out.
Sarap. Ayun.
Mine. Shout out.
Talagay na
Mine.
ito. Ako mag-guys, ayun na.
Douglas Emerson Official. Maraming salamat po, Sir Douglas. Bigyan kitang jacket, Sir Douglas. Maraming salamat po sa pagpasyal.
Tatay isa. Mamaya pagkatapos kumain.
Very hot.
So, very, very hot, guys.
Very hot.
Papa Jab, bye-bye. Thank you. Sige, ingat. MC Collect TV, shoutout sa iyo. MC Collect TV. Melvin Chinito Vlog, shoutout. Maraming salamat po. 41 viewers. Wow. Ugi Biray, shoutout po Ugi Biray. Maraming salamat po. Maria P. Bilasan na yung isda pagdating dyan. Malamang. Shoutout Jerwin Official na nakita na. Ha? Ano sabi? Nakita na kita sa live sa Quezon. Si Team Kapanalig. Uy. 33 minutes guys. Guys, padagdagan naman ang ating
Wag dyan, wag dyan. Doon sa, ano?
Meron dyan yung dollar sign.
Doon yan lahat.
Alam
Para
niyo
hindi siya
gagawin
maano ng aso, may tubig. Pati yan, pati yan. Babal mo sa ilalim. Yan.
Maraming salamat po. Salamat.
Para hindi maano ng
Hindi ay lagay lang sa styro.
Ay, nawala yun.
Doggy.
Huwag dyan, huwag dyan. Dito lang, dito lang. Nandyan yung lagayan eh. Sige, dyan na. Lagayan, nawala.
Come here. Let's eat.
Halika na.
Thank you so much. Minutes na tayo. 34 minutes guys, 34 minutes. 41 minutes. Thank you so much.
Hey, look at Kuya Dang. Okay. One.
Sunog.
Don't you dare to
sunog.
tapat-tapat with that light. So very, ano.
Very nice
Okay,
outfit.
ano kay...
Yes. You look magogong.
Oh.
Bakit? Special award goes to. Cut out.
Hey.
Shout
Hey.
mo yung Maria
Very,
Pitalas.
very,
Maria.
very nice outfit.
Pikalas. Maria.
That's nice. Guys, makikilala po natin ang siya po ay
Jomar Sarate.
sino ka nga ba? Ano pagkatao mo?
Manuela.
No.
Red forward.
No, you are not red for white. Ano nga ba siya? Hindi.
Mormons.
Hindi. Kasi naandito ang kontraktor. Ito. Kontraktor niya si Tatay Tatsi. Ano ngayon siya?
Engineer.
Anak ng
Engineer.
kontraktor.
Engineer. Or kaya anak ka ng kontraktor.
Jomar Sarate. Boss,
Ang kaso-
tayo. Oo nga, kailangan Jomar Sarate.
Can I see, can I
Oh,
see?
no.
If you have a money.
Kabansot
Oh
no.
my God!
May
Ang anak ng
outfit is,
kontraktor.
by
Walang
Boss Kanye.
pira.
Yan ang nakasira sa flood control.
Nakakasira to sa flood
Good
control.
PM Kawaray. Malin, maraming
Ayos,
salamat
oh.
po. Malin. Salamat po.
Tara, doon ka, mangitang ka doon.
Thank you so much. So, Jerwin, sabi niyo.
Come here, come here.
So
Thank you
very
so much
black.
sa inyo, guys.
Ano? Super black.
So very black, no light.
No.
No light.
Yeah, no light. Hey. Hey, let's eat.
Let's eat?
Let's eat.
Oh, let's eat.
Yeah.
I like
Oh, you
your
will not
portion.
36
I like
minutes,
your
I
long
title.
sleeve.
Yeah.
Minutes mga Koray.
It look like...
I'm
Sa Facebook, ang kinis-kinis ng mukha.
Oh.
Ba't ngayon? Ang daming bootleg.
Kasi kayo hindi tinatamaan ng filter. Hindi tumatalab. Kailangan nyo pa ng AI.
Wow, amazing. Amazing food.
Shout out to all.
Very good.
Dad, shout out mo yung ano mo, Jerry Official.
Hey, Pastor!
Hey, Jerry,
Pastor yan, pastor.
Pastor! I can't remember.
Yeah.
I can remember when
Dance,
you
shout out,
were
dance.
when I in a day.
Huwag kang umuwi ng Nova mo kung hindi ka
So very thanks to our videographer.
Mo dyan.
Yes.
Kabuot
Oo nga eh.
official.
Yes.
Very
Yes.
good apo.
Kabuot official.
Yeah.
There's no boletas.
Jomar Sarate, maraming salamat.
Yes.
Tuwanso.
Hey, may one. Wanna dance for you? Wanna dance for you?
Sure.
Wanna dance for you? I'm Don Solveta, baby. Yeah. I Don Solveta.
Ayoko. Ano ba, halik naman ang halik. Good na. Oo. Ta-da-da-da, tan-tan, ito.
Hey!
May... Hoy, umuwi na kayong dalawa. Umuwi na kayo. Sa mga mami kin eh. Tala, uwi ka na.
Alright, close to mini store.
Why?
Let's go.
Kumain na ba kayo?
Kala ko kung sino.
Wala ka tikini.
Going to Philippines, me.
Pa, hindi mo na kikilala ang damit niya.
How are you today?
Hi!
Ay, kain na kayo, kumain na kayo?
Oh.
Ha? May sabaw ka ng baka. Gusto niyo sabaw ng baka?
Eating already? You like beef? No thanks.
Wow.
It's okay. Just eating me. Going to
Parway?
Nipa House.
Who? What's the staff?
Very nice
Oh,
cook.
hello. To all of you.
Hey, how are you?
Oh.
So,
What are you doing here?
you want to eat? Yeah, eat. Eat.
Eat.
Thanks.
It's all you can.
How's Cambodia?
Where are you doing here now?
My father.
Anong father?
My uniform.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who is your father? Your uniform from your father.
Yeah.
Who is your father?
That is my uniform.
Bagay pala sa'yo eh.
Pastor, where is your...
Sana ang kapalit ni ano.
Sabi sa red for white daw.
Your
Lumait.
pastor.
Lumait na daw si red for white.
Your pastor already?
O, yung sasakyan niya.
Nagdala ka ng Bible.
Excuse me to car.
Excuse me daw to car daw. Pinalis yung mga ano.
Perya ka, nakaganyan ka, no? Ito, ang pogi mo.
Sabi ko mag-TikTok. Naisip ko mag-vlog na, oh.
English pa ba?
English pa rin. Hanggang akin si Eric.
Hey, what's up? Yo, man. Blessing ng bahay, blessing.
Magpapablessing ka ng bahay sa kanong ng kotse mo.
See your house.
Ah.
A very big house.
I invite you to blessing of this house. Blessing of these guys.
Blessing hindi.
Mga kumpante na tapon mo. Ito. Hey. Why are you?
So very hot daw.
Cover on the media. Yo, what's up? Shout out. Yes. Baby, alright.
Ano, Dadney?
You already eat? You already eating?
Eating dinner.
There are so many fish over there. You are laughing. Why you are laughing?
You laughing, huh? Or are you laughing? They are, huh? You always labas ngipin, huh?
There. Don't worry about my English. It's only my secret.
Secret recipe.
Basic only. This English.
No, mapapalabang kayo sa akin ng English.
Big is water daw.
Ha? You must. Oh.
You going to enter. Yeah.
You're going to exit.
Cannot speak.
You drink water because you are nervous, huh?
Yeah.
Alright.
Always smiling. Why? Because of your outfit.
You want? Ayan, kunin mo yan.
No.
Kunin mo yan, balot yan. Balot yan, kinain namin.
Balot sa sisiw.
Hindi, balot nga yan.
Huwag mong Tagalogin.
Ano ba English sa balot?
Belot.
Belot. Belot? Yeah, it's so big sisiw. Yeah, right. It's duck egg. And it's 26 years before you eat. All right?